I've been here 15 years. You don't really get a vacation. So vacations you would take a half a day at a time. And it's worn me out. It's been rough. I'm Steve Holzerman. I'm the wastewater treatment plant operator. I'm the only one with a wastewater license, the collection license, and a CDL. So pretty much everything comes on me.
If you ask any municipality, they would probably tell you their sewer treatment and water is probably their biggest headache and expense, and that's been true here. We were looking for operators, employees, and we couldn't find any. There are no operators out there. And we reached out to Veolia, and they reached back and made a connection, and I'm sure glad we did.
When Veolia took over the project on July 1, the plant's condition was fairly poor. A lot of the major processes were not functioning at that time. So it's been a very big challenge to keep everything going.
Veolia brings to the table years and years of experience of operating water and wastewater treatment facilities, just like this one. I mean, we come into these facilities because the towns have had a challenge.
I think for me, the Veolia way is more of a standard. It's making sure that we don't just do what we have to do or just do the minimum amount. It's making sure that we do what's right and that we set ourselves up for success for not only ourselves but for our client in the future.
A lot of the communities that we work for, after they've seen us for a period of time or as we go for contract renewals, you know, they really talk about the value that we've provided as we've been here, as well as the employees.
This was a blessing with Veolia coming in, just by having extra help, somebody else in the lab to help do lab work, and more help out here when it's mowing grass time and cleaning clarifiers. Things are going to work the way they're supposed to. Oh, I feel there's going to be a big weight lifted off of me.
Oh, in a matter of days, we saw results just by driving by the place. The main thing I can stress is you just feel like there's a connection, and there's like although they're a big conglomerate and they have all this technical support and everything that you would want, when you talk to them, they still feel like they're a local company, like they're based right out of Mossam, and that's huge.